Another aircraft is landing. Landing private jet.
来来
So
来
you can hire a private jet. Everyone can hire a private jet if they are rich enough. So some people, some rich people, they will own a
Rich person.
aircraft, and then they'll fly it. So this is Sunday. Rich aircraft or rich person.
It could be the government.
Government rich.
但是挂的是海航的尾
So private jets have the actual compass listening vehicle center.
可是香港航空不就是海航旗下的？
Aircraft are over there. So this is the Gulfstream aircraft.
这快架商务舱。
Only rich person.
Oh, yeah. This is 5 picture, this is 5 picture.
哦，我知道这个，这是北京来的。
Someone's 5 picture.
Rich person.